Welcome to Shelter, Food, and Beer. Like many of you, we are staying at home, staying social distance, and trying to do the right thing. All our favorite restaurants and dives are closed down, so been doing a lot of cooking at home. Senator Mark Warner made a video about a tuna melt, and it made me realize I haven't done a video on making a tuna melt, and I make pretty good tuna melts. I came up with this new idea for upscale tuna melt. So let's get started with my IPA. I don't know if you saw the video of his tuna melt, but it involved a lot of mayonnaise, tuna fish, and microwave. I'm confused. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up this ahi tuna into strips and then coat it with some hot sauce, mostly because I want this za'atar seasoning to stick on the outside, and the hot sauce makes it easier to do. Then I'll be using a 7-grain whole wheat bread, Swiss cheese, a hot sauce and mayo mix, and some other key ingredients. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Drinking beer, of course. This is just a little extra bite piece, but you basically just coat the fish with the hot sauce really quickly, and that'll help the seasoning stick to it beautifully, like so. I get the skillet nice and hot with the coating of olive oil on it, and I bring in my tuna, and as you can tell, this is very hot. And this is a very quick sear to get a crust on the outside of the tuna, but leave the inside there. So I stay on top of this and just turn it about every 15 or 20 seconds. I wish there was smell-o-vision, because this is absolutely delicious smelling. Okay, there's the tuna. I got a little confused on what direction I was rotating them, but I think I got all 4 sides. I didn't want to overcook them, so I just took them off. And I'm letting that rest, and I'm going to prepare my bread, which is butter, then a pinch of granulated garlic. And this is the standard way that I make most of my grilled cheese sandwiches, is I had the butter, the garlic, and then some Parmesan cheese on the outside. It makes it a great cheese toast sandwich. Give that a little pat so it adheres to the bread. Does that not look beautiful? Butter side down, hit it with my spicy little sauce, give it a little fresh cilantro, and then your cheese. That's separated a little bit. Like this. Generous amounts of fresh ahi tuna, seared, rare. Not everybody's a fish lover, but I tell you what, if you're gonna love a fish, you should love this. They say tuna fish is the chicken of the sea, but ahi tuna is the steak of the sea. Put some sliced tomatoes. These are very thin, paper thin Roman tomatoes. Hit it with a little pepper. Your red onions. Finish it off with your avocado. The avocado's cream texture. matches the creamy texture of the ahi tuna. So pull that off, flip it over, give it a nice little pat down. I want to see the other side, make sure it's cooked too. It is. This is a dude of a sandwich. Take that beauty out. Oh. I think I'm just going to cut this straight down the middle. And that's your ahi tuna melt. Made that in no time. Easy, quick, delicious. I'm going to sit down, have this sandwich, enjoy a pickle, and see what the politicians are doing. Oh, what they do now.